Wow, it's hot.
Ooh, ooh, felt a fear from my back, just keep on walking. Ooh, you're not the one for me, but I cut some crud and I shouldn't have done all these years. Ooh, no, you're not the one for me.
Well, I woke up this morning and didn't really plan on doing this, so I was dressed very differently. I have cleaned out the porch and I'm gonna paint it. Because I'm me and I want to just have fast results, I had thought maybe I would fix these rotting boards, but I should probably do that. I was telling myself I wasn't gonna do it, I would just paint over it, but I mean, I could just do it. Why don't I just do it? Ugh. Anyway, I'm working on chipping out some of this yellow stuff that I put in over the winter because it was freezing and drafty. And I cut that out and try paint it a dark color to match. And then, I don't know. This whole section is very drafty in the winter, so I'm gonna figure out what to do with that. But beyond that, I'm gonna just paint the porch, hopefully. I have some ideas. I think it's gonna look really good. Yeah. We'll worry about the technical, important stuff later. Right now, it's just about making it cute. Nowhere else to run. I got soul, but I'm not a soldier. This is gonna be more work than I thought. Fuck. Do you remember like a few minutes ago when I was like, oh, I'm gonna just paint the porch and deal with this rot later? I miss those times. I miss that. Here, I'll show you the extent of the damage. And I'm sure it's the whole porch. The whole porch could probably get redone. Support beam is quite rotten. Actually, oh, the bottom's not that bad, actually. Maybe I just fill in. Oh, that side is. All right, time to cut a beam down a size. Fine. Do not do this. Do not follow my example ever. No! Everything's rotten. Okay, well that's about as much as I can do. I keep taking breaks. And I have to remind myself that, like, if I just get this freaking patched over, like if I just cut the boards and put them on there, I could paint and I could be done with this project that I started. Let's just get it done. Yeah, Hannah. Say it ain't so, I will not go. Turn the lights off, carry me home. Late night, come home. Work sucks, I know. Okay, I spared you the misery of cutting all.
Your uninterrupted listening starts now.
I spared you the misery of cutting all these boards out. Now I gotta screw them in, so that's what's happening. I'm having a really good time. I'm really tired. 4:55. My day is getting away from me. This is some long. There's a lot of breaks happening. I keep taking breaks to go sit and do something else. Okay, let's get these screwed in. Damn. I did that. Very nice. Shoved nails into my nails. Oh. I'm so tired. Okay, I need to wash the floor and then I need to paint it. I can do that. It's like two things. My body is weary. Here we go. Definitely need a second coat. I'm also gonna get stuck in a corner. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3. Feel those bad feels leave. Creeping and crawling, head on the toilet, you know I was falling. Good morning. I finished painting the porch last night. I did 2 coats. And let me tell you, I could not go to sleep last night because I was just so excited to wake up and like get to work putting stuff in there, you know? When you finish the basis of a project and then you're just like, wow, I don't get to like have satisfaction over this yet because it's just boring. But it's, I mean, hey, it's brighter in there. It is so much brighter in there. Thank goodness. But I'm making coffee and breakfast. Oh, the birds are singing. And I have a rug that I'm gonna lay out in here. A little bright. Yeah, I have a plan. I have a desk that I made at the old house, or my old place that I was living. I'm gonna put here, I think. And then a day bed over here, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. All right. I'm so excited. I get to run errands. I literally brought this baby home like a day ago, and then I was super stoked on driving it around, but then I got distracted by the porch because I have a problem with paying attention and sticking to one thing at a time. So, God, I love this car. Oh, yeah. You know how you guys are always confused because my camera sometimes flips to the right side? Looks like I'm driving on the right side. It's not the case, not in this car. I'm actually driving on the right side. It's surprisingly easier than I thought it was gonna be. I actually have no trouble at all with it. It's been pretty great. Okay, music.
Buzzing all over me. Buzzing all over me like she fell in love. She's the only one I got. Na, 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 na. If that ain't love, then I don't know what love is.
Oh, fuck. Oh my God. No. Don't do this to me. We got this. Come on. Walter is in the driveway laughing at me right now. This is what you get. Ooh, I think this is it. Oh my God, so many drawers. I definitely tipped it the wrong way. Whew. Holy shit. Okay. Damn, look at this cute life. Also, look at these trees that just started coming out in full swing. Look at this cottage. Oh, that's probably terrible. I'm gonna talk from over here. I have decided that this cabin is becoming a cottage, so I'm gonna just call it that from now on. Sorry if anyone disagrees, but it just feels like it's not so cabiny anymore. It's a little more homey. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a lot of work. Oh my God. I don't want to move again. My big rug just came. This one only took up half the space. So this one should take up all of this space so that the white floors don't get too scuffy. Ooh, I like it already. Oh my god, I'm sweaty. Oh my god. Oh yeah, there we go. That was necessary. Wow. Wow. What a nice room. Cool. I did it. I finished my porch and it is beautiful. Why am I trying to have my head in here? Turn it around, Hannah. Oh my gosh. I never want to leave this room. Wow. Oh, it's beautiful. There I am in the reflection. Awkwardly trying to get good angles. This room literally gives me all of the Robinson Crusoe, Swiss Family Robinson vibes that I've always wanted. Always. Honestly, a lot of the inspiration for this room came from having the Defender parked outside. Yeah, I don't know. It just kind of, the whole vibe feels like a safari kind of. Damn. Oh, it's so pretty. Hold on, I need to do an outfit change, I think.